Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to the market this week video. Today is 20th October 2024 Sunday. This video is for 4th week of October 2024. In this video, we are discussing about the global markets, commodities, ADR stocks, IPOs, about the Indian market for the coming week and the stocking news. Now let's quickly check into the global markets. On Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 made a record closing on Friday, with the Nasdaq also is in positive territory as the US markets are boosted with the earnings by Netflix and gains across the technology stocks. All the three major indices in the US could secure a 6 straight weekly high. This was the longest weekly gain after 2023 in US markets. On last week, S&P 500 gained 0.9 percentage, Nasdaq gained 0.8 percentage, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed about 1 percentage. Dow Jones future is up by 0.09 percentage. S&P 500 is up by 0.40 percentage. Nasdaq is up by 0.63 percentage. In the European markets, this is a second week the market is straightly closing with positive gains. It helped by the 25 basis points cut by the European Central Bank. The decision came by on last week, and the good corporate earnings also led to the 2 weeks continuous rally in European markets. FTSE is down by 0.32 percentage. CSE is up by 0.39 percentage and DAX is up by 0.38 percentage. When we come into the Asian markets, most of the Asian markets are closed with positive sentiments. As per the indication now, GIFT Nifty is indicating about flat to negative opening for tomorrow. This can change tomorrow while our markets opens. Commodities, Brent crude now down by 1.73 percentage. Gold is up by 1.02 percentage. Crude oil is down by 1.88 percentage. Now let's check about the ADR stocks. Axis Bank ADR is up by 3.5 percentage. Dr. Reddy's ADR is down by 0.16 percentage. HDFC Bank ADR is down by 0.02 percentage. ICICI Bank ADR is up by 2.49 percentage. Infosys ADR is down by 0.66 percentage, and Wipro's ADR is up by 5.35 percentage. Now let's check about the IPOs for this week. Tomorrow is the listing day of Hyundai India IPO. On last day of the subscription, the Hyundai IPO subscribed about 2x. For this coming week in Indian market, the IPOs are coming for about rupees 11,000 crores. Now let's check about the IPO. I am just reading the names of the listing company. You can just pause and get the details from the video. Opened IPO, Freshhara Agro Exports. Opening IPOs are Deepak Builders, Danish Power, Godavari Biorefineries, OBSC Perfection, Premium Plast Limited, Usha Financial Services, United Heat Transfer, and Valley Engineers Limited. When we come into India market specific, on Friday, most of the major indices closed with positive sentiments in Indian market. On Friday, Nifty went and took support from the 2 months low, that was around 25,700, and from there the market range bounded and most of the indices closed in positive sentiments. But the time did not come for us to decide whether the market is going up or going down, because the market was in an oversold condition. So it is quite natural the dead cat can bounce, but we have to wait whether the market is getting stable or it will become more weaker. On Friday's rally, the main reason was the rally by the banking sector, because on last week some of the major companies quarter 2 result came, but most of them were disappointing. But most of the banking companies which announced their quarter 2 result down last week were good, which was more than expected. So the banking sector took the Indian market higher. Sensex closed above 81,000 and Bank Nifty closed above 52,000. On Friday, Bank Nifty and FinNifty made a high of more than 1.5%. On last week, we saw that Indian VIX was in between 12 to 14. Most of the time, it was around 13. On Friday also, we saw the fall in India VIX about 2.69%, and India VIX right now is at 13.03. On Friday also, the FIIs were net sellers in Indian market and they sold for around rupees 5,485 crores, while DIS supported the market with buying of rupees 5,214 crores. For this month alone, FIS sold in Indian market for about rupees 80,217 crores, while DIS brought for about rupees 74,176 crores. Even though the continuous sell-off by the FIS and 3 days of continuous loss, the Nifty 50 closed above 0.42% and Sensex added about 0.27% up. On Friday, the Nifty took support at 24,570. Now Nifty closed around 24,854 and the immediate resistance will be at 24,900 and the immediate support lies at 24,750. These are the two main points. In order to go forward or go downward, Nifty has to decisively break these 2 points either up or down. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and please do like and comment. It will help the YouTube algorithm. And please share the channel with your trading friends. On Saturday, we were waiting for the quarter 2 result by some of the major companies. Tech Mahindra profit surged 153% and the company declares dividend also of rupees 15 per share. Kotak Mahindra Bank profit rises 5% to rupees 3,344 crores and the result beats the market estimates. HDFC Bank profit rises 5% to rupees 16,820 crores and HDFC Bank also beats street estimation. Stocking news. Talna platforms stock tanks after firms reports weak quarter 2 numbers. Ajmeera Realty shares zooms 8% on preferential allotment of shares worth rupees 225 crores. Tejas Networks stock climbs 7% ahead of quarter 2 earnings. Mazagon Shipbuilders shares jumps 8%. Go to consider stock split. Dividend on October 22nd. United Spirits shares fall as Macquarie maintains underperform rating. Havells India. Brokerages cut target price on Havells India following quarter two margin miss. DCW shares gain on investment of rupees 140 crores for production expansion. Manappuram Finance shares crashes 15% as RBI wipes subsidiary Ashirvad Microfinance. Mahanagar Gas and Indraprastha Gas shares cracked 15% as probability to be hit on lower gas allocations. Disclaimer: please do not make any investment decisions based on my video because I am not a SEBI registered person. I am doing this video is for you and for me for educational purpose only. Hope all you got the information. Thanks for watching the video.